What is going up, everyone? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day here. We're going to be talking about Apple investing in Tesla and how Warren Buffett thinks it's a terrible idea. Uh, so Apple is the first trillion-dollar company. We all know that. Tesla has had pretty much a rough start. They've had production issues, investment issues, capital issues. Any issue, they've pretty much had. So it looks like Apple invested in Tesla here. I'm not sure how much it says, how much they invested. I don't think it does. But so Tim Cook is the CEO of Apple, and I think he put money or invested in Tesla because he obviously sees it as a good. Here, let me move my. There we go. He obviously sees it as a good investment for the long term. He doesn't think that this thing's gonna work out quick. He thinks it's gonna take time before it starts going. But if you ever seen a Tesla car, it's very nice. It sticks out from other cars. I've been in one. They're a good car, and I would highly recommend it. It's one of my dream cars, actually. But Tesla has had a rocky start. I don't know if it will be Tesla or if another car company comes in, electric car company, but these electric cars are the wave of the future, and obviously Tim Cook saw that, and he invested in it, and I think it was a bold move for him because he's into that tech industry, and Tesla is a tech car. If you compare it to a Ford F-150, obviously a Tesla is going to have a lot more features, and I don't know kind of where I'm going with this, but Tesla stands out, and Tim Cook saw that. I give him props for investing in it. So I think maybe may not have been a good move right now, but maybe in 10 or 15 years, if Tesla takes off, it will be a very good idea. He sees both these people, Warren Buffett and Tim Cook, are some of the smartest people out there. They all have an extreme amount of money, and they all have different opinions, obviously. If you compare, Warren Buffett to any other investor out there, or if you compare Tim Cook to any other tech guy out there, like Mark Zuckerberg, they're going to have a lot of similarities, but they're going to have differences. And this is just one of the differences that Warren Buffett has. He just doesn't like, he invests in Apple, but he doesn't think Apple should have invested in Tesla. It's pretty much that easy. But I think both these companies are going to be around for a long time. Actually, all three: Apple, Tesla, and Berkshire Hathaway. So I think everyone's just kind of freaking out. My throat is killing me. I don't know why, but everyone just needs to take a chill pill on this news. Everything will be fine, in the long run. Maybe not day by day, Jesus, but week by week and year by year. Everything will work out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. Make sure you go and subscribe. I gotta go get some water. Peace out.